Welcome to Everyday Cooking. If you haven't subscribed the channel yet, please click the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay connected, and it is absolutely free. Today let us do a simple pineapple cake. For this take 1 cup of all-purpose flour, that is maida. To this add half a cup of milk powder, half teaspoon of baking powder and quarter teaspoon of baking soda. Give a nice mix. After mixing the dry ingredients, add quarter cup of refined oil. You can substitute this with butter, half cup of milk, half a cup of powdered sugar and half a cup of chopped pineapple. Let us give a nice mix. Just cut and fold like this. Using cut and fold method will be very easy to mix the wet and dry ingredients. Now add half a teaspoon of vanilla essence to this. You can also use pineapple essence instead of vanilla essence. Our batter is ready. Now let us grease a cake tin. I have already greased this cake tin with butter. Now I am going to transfer the batter into this. Spread it evenly, and by this time preheat the oven at 180 degrees for 10 minutes. Now let us bake this for 25 to 30 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. Our cake is ready. Now let us turn the cake. This cake tastes absolutely delicious and you can use this as a tea time cake. You can serve this as it is, or you can top it with some whipping cream, but whipping cream is optional. Our pineapple cake is ready. We'll join you in another interesting recipe, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.